Okay, good morning to 8th A student. Welcome very first time in maths live lecture. I hope you will enjoy, but if you will not disturb me, then only full 40 minutes you will enjoy. Thursday and Friday 8A maths 9:50 to 10:35 morning. My lecture is that, and I have confirmed, and I have also talked to Anurag sir. Now we'll start maths topic with number line. What is the meaning of number line? I said my golf curve. I don't want to listen to you. I am not start with natural number. I am speaking number line. What is the meaning of number line? Again and again you people are disturbing. Who are these? Hello. Now whose mic will be on? No, I will remove permanently. I don't want disturbance. Come to the topic. Number line. It is made up of two words, number and line. First of all, what is line? At both the end, if it is limited, then it is a segment. One side limited, one side unlimited, that is ray. Both the side it is unlimited, that is a line. So segment, ray, line. Now we want number line. The line which represent number also, that is a number line. No one is going to ask you definition, but you should know the base. First is segment, both the side limited. Then ray, one side limited, one side unlimited. Then line, both the side unlimited. And on line, when we show some numbers, these are number line. So first, second, third. Now come to the number line. On number line, there are three parts. Exactly at the center. Exactly at the center, there is a zero. Where I am standing, zero. On my left hand, negative numbers. On my right hand, positive number. That we have to keep in mind. From zero, on your right side positive, on your left side negative. Okay, exactly at the center, 0. On your right side, positive number goes on increasing. On left side, negative number goes on increasing. Now we will compare two positive, two negative, positive and negative, negative and positive, 0 and positive, 0 and negative, positive and 0, negative and 0. These different we will compare. Both the positive means I will take 2 and 3. 8 and 5. Again speaker on. See, every minute you are going to you are doing just only positive, negative. Negative, positive. Zero and positive. You have to check which is larger, which is smaller. Zero, negative. Positive and 0. Negative and 0. Now, today I am finding lots of DP that is not worth and different name. From tomorrow, I want 8 A, roll number for example 9 and name 1, 2, 3, 4. Without this I will not give the entry, and within 5 minutes I will give the entry, then next after 5 minutes I will not give the entry. See what the name you are putting, what the DP you are putting, anything. This is a school group or Faltu group. Even your parents are not observing all the things. Okay, now I have to compare. So 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 on you have not to cross like this. 2 and 3. So on left side always smaller, right side always bigger. So this is bigger. Now 8 and 5. So not like this. 5 and 8. So right side is always bigger. Now minus 1, minus 4, not this. Right side is positive. Right side is bigger. Minus 3, minus 5. Not this. Right side is positive. Bigger. Sorry. 3 and minus 6. Not cross. This. Right side bigger. 2 minus 1. Right side bigger. Bigger number I am marking. Minus 2, 4. 4. Minus 7, 3. Positive number. 0 and 5. This is bigger. 0 and 7. 7 is bigger. 0 and minus 3. Which is right side? 0 is bigger. 0 minus 5. Which is right side? 0. Bigger. Bigger number. 7 and 0. 7, 0. Right side. 8 and 0. Right side. Minus 3 and 0. Right. Minus 5, 0. So both the number without crossing, just put a pen or put a marker. Which is on your right, that is always bigger. Now, from two positive number very easily you can identify which is bigger, which is smaller. Now from two negative number Smaller number is bigger with negative sign, and bigger number is smaller with negative sign. And now positive negative. From positive negative, naturally, which is bigger? Positive. Positive will be bigger compared to negative and positive. With 0 and positive, positive always bigger. With 0 and negative, negative always smaller, positive always bigger. With 0 and negative, 0 always bigger. Positive and 0, positive is bigger. Negative and 0, 0 is bigger. So just now camera is clear. Now camera is clear. Now it is clear, I think. Now it is clear. Now it is clear. I have changed the network. So now I have changed the network. It is okay. My both the cameras are okay. Recording and this. I have changed. Next. Now there are question that on a number line you have to show 3/2, 5/2, 0, minus 3/2, minus 1/2. So all have 2 in division. 2 in division means what? Each part you have to divide into 2 parts. Make it half, because all are 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So first read the denominator, make all half part. Now from 0 count. It is 3. Now okay. Maybe your network problem because here exactly equal. Wait, wait, switch off. Okay, now it will be clear. Within 10 seconds it will clear. Don't make voice. Huh. Because of heavy rain. Okay, now from 0 you have to count 3. So 1, 2, 3. So this one is 3 by 2. Now numerator you have to count 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will clear. Wait, wait. 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 I said don't speak. Why camera is on? Close the camera. Vedant, don't be smart. Okay, now okay, now it will come. Okay, next. So जिसको नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है ना, यहाँ रिकॉर्डिंग हो रहा है तो आपको रिकॉर्डिंग मिलेगी. डोंट वरी, जस्ट बेयर फॉर 5-10 मिनट्स. Then -3. So minus means left side. So first part, second part, third part. Now we have not to count this, we have to count the part. Now this is -3 by 2. कैमरा और माइक बंद रखो. 100 टाइम आई स्पीक द सेम थिंग. -1 first part, that is -1 by. Now more part, for example, more part, 5 parts. Now we have to show -4 by 5, -3 by 5, -7 by 5, and 3 by 5, 6 by 5, 8 by 5. This we have to show on a number line. Now there are all 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. So we will make 5 part. See, at 10:30 people are coming. Correct. Voice is clear. Wait, maybe your my camera is very clear because laptop is clear. That camera is also clear. Here I am observing. Wait. Now voice is clear. Okay, now 5 parts I have done. 5 parts I have done. ये कैमरा क्यों चालू करते हो आप वेदांत? आदित्य, 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 why you are sharing screen? Now see, it is okay. Now it is okay. Okay, leave it. I am recording also. You will get the recording. No problem. Okay, 5 by 3. So from here, 1, 2, 3. So this is 3 by 5. Not 5 by 3, 3 by 5. Then 6 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 by 5. 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now negative number. So left side. Now this 3 by 5. So first part, second part, third part. Minus 3 by 5. Now minus 4 by 5. So this is 3, this is 4. Seven by 5. So up to here it is 5, 6, 7. So if all the denominator are same, according to that you have to make the part of that 1 part on the number line, and then you have to count only the numerator. Positive means from 0 to right side. Negative means from 0 to left side. And these I have shown that how you will compare two numbers. Correct? To Vedant, Vedant I will permanently remove. Now from this we have to answer. P represent which number? P represent -1 number. Upper one is point, lower one is coordinate, and this is a number line. So V represent what? V represent -7. C represent what? C represent 3. F represent what? 6. So like that, X represent -8. A represent, H represent +1. A represent +1. H represent +8. Now what S represent? S represent minus 3. S represent minus 4. X represent minus 9. So now reversible from point to number. Now from number to point. Minus 4 represent which point? Is it represent 2. 3 represent which point? C. 5 represent which point? E. So they will give point. You have to write the coordinate. Suppose they will give the coordinate. You have to write from point. When point is given, you have to write number. When number is given, you have to write point. Okay, ulta ulta. Then with the figure, you have to point out two number. So on right side, it is always bigger. This right side is bigger. This right side always bigger. From this right side always bigger. U and C right side always bigger. But it should not cross. You have not crossed the hand. Because of very heavy rain is going on outside, that is why this network issue is there. Otherwise, the previous lecture I have taken very nicely. It is a problem with this. Rain is going on, bacha. That is why it is blur. Wait. Automatically it will catch the signal. Wait, I am doing. ब्लर दिख रहा है इसलिए आप अपना वीडियो चालू करोगे. वेदांत को बोलो अभी तुझे कभी नहीं लुका. Because of this one, you know, this one. Is it okay now? Clear? Huh. Now all are divided into 4 part. Half. Now here it is given A. Here it is given E. Here it is given B. This is O. F. C here. D after 2 point. Now we have to find out position. What is A? A represent 3. What is B? That is from here 4, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 4. No. It is on. So B is 10 by 5. E means 5, 6, 7. means 0, F represent 1, C 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Correct? Because of this very heavy rain, no, these problems are there. Now we have to show where is 5 by 2, where is 1, 3 by 4, 4 ones are 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 by 4. Now diagram is okay. Okay, I'll send you the video, don't worry. So according to that, no, you can at least observe. Okay, true. Yes, workbook also, notebook also you have to maintain, because workbook is now your internal marks. Okay, मैं क्लोज कर रहा हूँ, कल मैं ये वापस थोड़ा रिपीट करा के आगे जाऊँगा. हेलो, सबने अटेंडेंस, जिसने अटेंडेंस लिखी है ना उसमें उसकी ही प्रेजेंट आएगी, बाकी की नहीं आएगी, याद रखो.